For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Starting a home-based business has become easier and more accessible than ever, thanks in large part to advances in artificial intelligence, AI. AI tools can help you streamline operations, automate repetitive tasks, improve marketing, and provide customer insights, all critical for launching and growing a business from home efficiently. If you're ready to start a home-based business but want to leverage AI to gain a competitive edge, here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Step 1. Identify your business idea and niche. Before you dive into AI tools, you need a clear business idea. Think about, what skills or passions do you have? What problems can you solve for others? What products or services are in demand? Use AI to help with this step. AI market research tools. Platforms like Answer the Public, Google Trends, or AI-powered business idea generators can analyze search data and trends to identify niches with growing demand. ChatGPT or other AI chatbots. You can brainstorm business ideas by prompting AI with questions like, what are profitable home-based business ideas in 2025? Example, you might decide on starting a digital marketing consulting business, handmade craft store, freelance writing, or an online coaching service. Step 2. Validate your business idea. Validation means testing if your idea can attract paying customers. Use AI to validate. AI survey and feedback tools. Use tools like Typeform or SurveyMonkey, which incorporate AI analytics to gather and analyze customer feedback. AI social listening tools. Tools like Brand24 or Mention can monitor social media to see if people are talking about your niche or similar products. ChatGPT for market research. Ask AI to summarize competitors, pricing strategies, and customer pain points. Validation can also be done by creating a simple landing page to test interest, running low-budget social media ads using AI ad managers to measure response. Step 3. Write your business plan with AI assistance. A business plan is essential for clarity and securing funding. Use AI to generate business plan drafts. Tools like ChatGPT can help you draft detailed business plans, including executive summary, marketing plan, financial projections, etc. Financial forecasting. AI-powered spreadsheet tools like Fathom or LivePlan can help you build realistic financial models. Competitive analysis. Ask AI to help you summarize strengths and weaknesses of competitors. This step helps you organize your thoughts, set goals, and plan resources. Step 4. Register your business and handle legalities. Even home-based businesses need to comply with local laws. Use AI chatbots on government websites or legal services like LegalZoom or Rocket Lawyer for guidance on registering your business type, LLC, sole proprietorship, etc. AI assistants can help draft contracts, terms of service, or privacy policies. Use AI-driven compliance tools to ensure tax filing and other legal requirements are met. Step 5. Set up your home office and technology. You need a productive workspace and technology setup. AI helps by smart home office setup. Use AI-powered assistants like Google Home or Amazon Alexa to automate your office environment, control lighting, schedule reminders, or play focus music. AI productivity tools. Apps like Notion, Trello with AI integrations can help organize tasks and projects. AI-based cybersecurity. Tools like Norton 360 with AI protection or Bitdefender help secure your computer and data. Step 6. Build your online presence with AI. An online presence is critical for home businesses. AI website builders. Use platforms like Wix ADI or Bookmark IDA, which build personalized websites using AI. No coding needed. AI content creation. Use ChatGPT or Jasper.ai to generate website copy, blog posts, or social media content. AI graphic design. Tools like Canva's AI design suggestions or Adobe Firefly can create professional logos, banners, and marketing materials. SEO optimization. AI tools like Surfer SEO or SEMrush's AI features help optimize your site content to rank well on search engines. Step 7. Market your business using AI tools. AI can dramatically improve your marketing effectiveness. AI social media management. Tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, or lately AI automate posting schedules, generate hashtags, and analyze engagement. AI email marketing. Platforms like MailChimp or Sendably use AI to personalize email campaigns and optimize send times. AI advertising. Use Facebook's or Google's AI-powered ad managers to create and optimize targeted ads. Chatbots for customer support. Deploy AI chatbots like ManyChat or Drift on your website or social channels to provide instant customer assistance 24/7. Step 8. Use AI to manage daily operations. AI can automate repetitive tasks, saving time and reducing errors. AI accounting tools. Use QuickBooks with AI features or Xero to automate bookkeeping, invoice creation, and tax calculations. Inventory management. For product-based businesses, AI-driven inventory systems predict stock needs and optimize supply chain management. AI scheduling assistance. Tools like Calendly or Clara Labs use AI to handle appointment booking and reminders. AI customer relationship management. CRM use AI-powered CRMs like HubSpot or Zoho CRM to track leads and personalize communication. Step 9. Analyze business performance with AI. Continuous improvement is essential. AI analytics platforms. Use tools like Google Analytics with AI Insights or Tableau to analyze web traffic, sales data, and customer behavior. AI sentiment analysis. Tools like MonkeyLearn analyze customer reviews and social media mentions for sentiment trends. AI financial insights. Tools like Fathom provide AI-powered dashboards for cash flow and profitability tracking. By regularly reviewing these insights, you can make smarter decisions. Step 10. Scale your business with AI. Once your business is stable, use AI to scale efficiently. AI hiring tools. Platforms like HireVue or Pymetrics can help you screen candidates if you want to outsource or hire remote workers. AI outsourcing platforms. Use AI-powered freelancing sites like Upwork or Fiverr that suggest best freelancers for your needs. AI product development. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to innovate new products or improve services based on market trends. Automate customer acquisition. Use AI to continuously refine your marketing and sales funnels. Bonus tips. Best AI tools to explore for home-based businesses. ChatGPT/Jasper.ai. Content creation, brainstorming, customer service. Canva plus Adobe Firefly, design and branding. Surfer SEO, SEMrush, SEO and marketing. Hootsuite, Buffer, social media scheduling. MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, email marketing automation. QuickBooks, Xero, accounting and finance automation. Calendly, scheduling assistant. HubSpot CRM, customer relationship management. Google Analytics, website and marketing analytics. Final thoughts. Starting a home-based business with AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a practical reality that gives entrepreneurs of all backgrounds a chance to compete and thrive. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.